The cosmic speed limit refers to the maximum speed at which information or physical objects can travel in the universe. According to our current understanding of physics, this speed limit is the speed of light in a vacuum, denoted by the symbol c. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, or about 186,282 miles per second. It is a fundamental constant in physics and plays a crucial role in Einstein's theory of relativity. One of the key principles in relativity is that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. As an object with mass approaches the speed of light, its energy and momentum increase exponentially, making it more and more difficult to accelerate further. At the speed of light, an object with mass would require an infinite amount of energy to continue accelerating. Furthermore, according to relativity, as an object accelerates towards the speed of light, time dilation occurs, meaning that time appears to pass more slowly for the moving object relative to a stationary observer. This phenomenon has been experimentally verified numerous times. The cosmic speed limit applies not only to physical objects but also to information transfer. No information can be transmitted faster than the speed of light. This concept is crucial for our understanding of causality, as it ensures that cause and effect relationships occur in a consistent and orderly manner. It's important to note that the cosmic speed limit refers to the speed of light in a vacuum. The speed of light can be slower when it passes through other mediums, such as water or glass, due to the effects of refraction.